In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regain access to your Meta Business Suite account. If you've been experiencing issues with logging in, whether due to a potential hack, integration problems, or permission errors, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of getting back in control. First, let's discuss what you should do if you suspect your account might have been compromised. A good starting point is to head over to Facebook's Business Support Home. This platform is designed to provide help when you face such difficulties. Check for any notifications or alerts that may suggest unauthorized access. If you believe your account has indeed been hacked, navigate to the Hacked Account page provided by Facebook. Here, you can request a verification or initiate a recovery process. This process might require you to confirm certain aspects of your account, so make sure to have any relevant details handy, such as recent activity or account-linked email addresses. Moving on, if you're encountering issues related to permissions or integration conflicts that hinder your login, there's a straightforward solution for that too. Begin by accessing your Facebook Business Integration settings. What you want to do here is locate the specific integrations causing trouble. Once found, proceed to remove these integrations from your account. Don't worry, this action won't cause any permanent damage. After removing them, the next crucial step is to reauthorize these integrations. Doing so refreshes the connection and often resolves any underlying conflicts that prevented a successful login. This method is particularly effective when technical glitches are involved. Finally, should you find yourself in the unfortunate situation where your previous attempts haven't resolved the issue, or if your account has been disabled, it's time to take further action. Return to the Business Support Home and request a review of your account situation. When initiating a review, be prepared to provide any necessary documentation. Documents can include items like an official ID or vital business information that helps verify your connection to the account in question. Providing thorough and accurate documentation increases the likelihood of successfully restoring access to your account. Remember, while dealing with such situations can be frustrating, patience and persistence are key. Keep track of all the steps you've taken and any correspondence you have with Facebook support, as this documentation can be useful if further follow-up is necessary. Don't forget to regularly update your security settings and monitor your account's activity flow to prevent future issues. I hope this guide helps you regain access to your account swiftly and effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and if this content helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe for more fixing tips. See you in the next video.